Square ABCD has side length S. And circle centered at E has radius R. So from here to here is R. R and S are both rational. The circle passes through D. Okay, so this is tangent, and D lies on BE. So if I go straight here, it would go. That means if I make a triangle like this, that would be 45 degrees, right? Okay. Point F lies on the circle. Here is tangent. On the same side of BE as A, so it's on this side, not on the other side. And segment AF is tangent to the circle. Okay, and AF's length is, as they said, it looks complicated, but must be a number that would make this problem simpler. What is R divided by S? You know, if they say R plus S, probably you have to find R and S to get the answer. But here, you can easily imagine the whole thing being blown up, right? So by some factor, you can zoom in and out, and their ratio will not change. So probably we are looking for this as a single quantity. But no matter what, we have to relate R and S. R is here, right? And S is here. If I look for something here, there's nothing that would relate the circle for me. So, and if I look inside here, there's nothing that has to do with any S here. So probably S and R will interact around here. And that's indeed what happens. So you have to relate this triangle, which is a right triangle because it was tangent line, you see. And you know this side, and you know that side. So you know how long the hypotenuse is. And you can relate that to this triangle, which we know how long this is, because you remember this one. Let me show you here. How long is this anyway? This length is R. So therefore, this is R over root 2. And this is R over root 2, right? Now that you know how this is S, this is R over root 2, that's R over root 2, then you can see that you know the hypotenuse. So basically, you can equate the hypotenuse. Is it hypotenuse? I'm not sure. You can equate them, and then you have an equation that relates R with S. So shall we? So I'm going to say this hypotenuse is nothing but the leg squared, which nicely gives rid of the square root outside. So that leg squared, this leg squared is equal to, now let's do this side. Well, let's do this one first. R squared over 2, that leg squared, and this leg squared. This is the only mess we get. R over root 2 squared.